Hi guys, and today I found out how bad this all of HP's computer come with this noise cancellation stupid feature, which is stupid. I tried so much times and I finally managed. So go to the start menu, search in control panel, go to view by category, make that on that setting, hardware and sound, and then there's this thing, Bang and Olufsen audio control. Click on that. On input over here, you have like a switch over here. Right now it's off, so I could record this video, and as you could see, it makes a huge difference. Can you hear my voice differently? And this is it off. Wow, what a big difference. Hello, 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 hello. Wow, that's a big difference. And over here, I've recorded the example. 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness! Amazing! Anyway, bye. I just wanted to get that out there. I hate HP for putting junk all over your computer. The hell is JP jump starts? So stupid. So annoying. Anyway, bye.